Hello everyone, we are going to solve a question. In this question we are given x bar, that is mean, is equals to 50, n is equals to 64, sigma standard deviation is 40, alpha is given as 0.05. This is our part A, and in this we have to find LCL and UCL. So let's start with the solution. For this, firstly we find Z alpha divided by 2. As our alpha is equals to 0.05, so alpha divided by 2 is 0.025. So Z alpha divided by 2 is equals to 1.96, and margin of error is equals to margin of error, that is denoted by E. This is equals to Z alpha divided by 2 multiplied with sigma divided by under root n, and putting all the values here, this is equals to 1.96 multiplied with 40 divided by square root 64, and on solving this is equals to 9.8. Now finding out the LCL and UCL, we have that this mu lies between x bar minus E and x bar plus E. Putting x bar, which is 50, minus 9.8 is less than mu is less than 50 plus 9.8, and from here we have 40.2 mu, here we have 59.8. So we have LCL is equals to, this is our LCL, which is equals to 40.2, and UCL is equals to 59.8, which is the final answer of this A part. Moving on to the B part. In B part we are given that given is x bar is equals to 85. Here we are given variance, that is sigma square equals to 400. So this implies that sigma is equals to 20. We are given n, which is equals to 25. And also alpha is given as 0.01, and again we have to find UCL and LCL. To find UCL and LCL, this is our LCL. Now let's start with the solution. As we are given that alpha is equals to 0.01, so alpha divided by 2 is 0.005. So Z alpha divided by 2 is equals to 2.576. Now margin of error, margin of error, which is denoted by E, is equals to Z alpha divided by 2 multiplied with sigma and divided by under root n. And now putting all the values here, we have E is equals to 2.576 multiplied with 20 and divided by square root 225. Now on solving we get that this E is equals to 3.4. Now finding out the LCL and UCL, this mu is in between x bar. For writing the formula, here we have x bar minus E is less than mu less than x bar plus E. So now from here we have x bar is 85 minus 3.4 is less than mu is less than 85 plus 3.4. So here we have 81.6 and here we have 88.4. So LCL is equals to 81.6 and UCL is equals to 88.4, which is the final answer of this question. Moving on to the C part. In C part we are given that mean is equals to 510, standard deviation equals to 50, n is equals to 485, alpha is equals to 0.10. And now on solving this we have to find LCL and UCL for this question. Now, firstly we find alpha divided by 2, as our alpha is equals to 0.10, so this implies alpha divided by 2 is 0.5. So, oh, sorry, here we have 0.05. 0.05. So Z alpha divided by 2 is comes out to be 1.645. So for this we find margin of error. Margin of error, that is E, is equals to Z alpha divided by 2 multiplied with sigma divided by square root 10. And now putting all the values here, we have this is 1.645 multiplied with 50 and divided by square root 485. Now this comes out to be 0.2. So this is our E. Now this mu lies between x bar minus E and x bar plus E. And putting the values here, we have 510 minus 0.2, and here we have 510 plus 0.2. Here we have 509.8 less than mu less than 510.2. So we have LCL is equals to 509.8 and UCL is equals to 510.2, which is the final answer of this question. Thank you.